Hello and welcome to Vision Academy. My name is Hanmant Ladwa and in this video we are going to write a C program to demonstrate function with argument and without return type. So let us write the preprocessor directives hash include in angular brace. We'll write standard input output .h header file hash include in angular brace console input output .h header file void main function curly open brace, and here I'm going to declare a function that is called function prototype. Here, as the program purpose says that function with argument and without return type. So here return type is void, that specifies nothing. Next, the name of the function I'm going to write is average, and inside the bracket I'm going to pass three arguments because here it is telling with arguments. For example, I'm going to write int comma int and put semicolon. So this is called function prototype. So this function prototype tells the compiler that the function definition with this function name is present. You have to search for it and executes the statement present in it. So here it creates the interface for the compiler. So how exactly we are going to declare all the variables before using them in the program? In the similar way, we have to declare the function before defining it. Now, let us declare the variables. For example, I'm going to write int a comma b comma c and put semicolon. CLR SCR is the function which is used to clear the screen. Now, we will ask the user to enter three numbers using printf statement. Here in a double quotation mark, I'm going to write enter three numbers. So backward slash n, end the double quotation mark and put semicolon. And now we are going to receive the response from the user through keyboard. So using scanf function, in a double quotation mark, I'll write %d format specifier, %d and %d because we have used integer type of data over here. And end the double quotation mark, put comma. We'll use first variable ampersand of a, second variable ampersand of b, and the third variable ampersand of c and put semicolon. So after receiving this, so I'm going to call this particular function. So here I'm going to write average and I'm going to pass these three arguments a comma b comma c and put semicolon. So this particular statement is called function call. So whenever the compiler encounters with this particular statement, control directly jumps from this function call to function definition. Now I'm going to write get ch function and curly closing brace. So that indicates it's a termination point of a main function. So once we have a function call, we have to define it. So here I'm going to define this particular function after void main. Now I'm going to write void average, and inside the bracket I'm going to pass three arguments of type integer int x comma int y comma int z. Curly open brace indicates it's the beginning of body of the function definition. And now I'm going to declare some local variables which can be accessed within this block. So float, I'll write sum comma avg stands for average. Next, I'm going to calculate sum is equal to, I can take x plus y plus z and put semicolon. So in order to find average, we will use the average variable avg is equal to sum divided by 3.0 and put semicolon. Now after this, we have to print the value stored in average. For that, I'm going to use the printf statement, and in the double quotation mark, I'll write average is equal to %f format specifier because we have used here float type of data. Now end the double quotation mark, put comma, we will write avg and put semicolon, and curly closing brace indicates this is the termination point of a function definition. Now let us take an example. Here I'm going to write output. So once we compile and run this program, it will ask the user to enter three numbers. So I'll write here enter three numbers. Just because of this backward slash n, cursor comes down to the next line. For example, I'm going to enter 10, 20 and 30. So here A is equal to 10, B is equal to 20 and C is equal to 30. After that, you can see that there is a function call. So whenever the compiler encounters with the function call, directly control jumps from main function to the function definition. So it is going to execute the statements which are present in the function definition. So here sum is equal to x plus y plus z. So here I'll write variable sum is equal to, here x refers to A, y refers to B and z refers to C. So x plus y plus z means 10 plus 20 plus 30 is equal to, so this gives us 60. So 60 is stored in sum variable. Next we are going to calculate average is equal to, sum is what, 60 divided by 3 numbers are there, that's the reason we have taken 3.0. So this gives us 20.000000 because we have used a floating point number, so it is going to give us 20.6 times 0. It is going to print average. Now printf statement, it is going to print average is equal to, so it is going to print 20.000000. So now let us execute this program. For that I will take you to my laptop screen.
Here you can see I have already written this program in Turbo C++ integrated development environment. Let us compile this program by pressing Alt F9. So here it is showing success. That means there is no syntax error. Press enter. Now run the program by pressing Ctrl F9. Here it is asking the user to enter 3 numbers. For example, I'm going to enter 10, 20 and 30. So here you can see average is equal to 20.000000. It is printing. I hope you understood this program. If so, please write down in the comment box as understood. Thank you.